Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to add a bank account to Sezzle. It's very easy and simple. So from the Sezzle app or your Sezzle dashboard, you go to account and then you navigate to payment methods. Then you just need to select add a bank or checking account. Now, we have two linking methods to make it easier for you to add a bank account. So near the bottom of the page, you'll see login via Plaid. Basically, this allows you to use your online banking username and password to log in into your bank account and select the account you want to link. Okay, and if your bank is not on the list of options to instantly link, or if you're basically running into issues into your bank account, right, logging in, you can also add your bank account manually. So you just select link bank account and then enter your account and routing numbers, and within 3 to 5 business days, they'll deposit 2 micro deposits less than $1 each and immediately withdraw one, which will be, the sum of the two deposits. So basically less than $2. So they'll put in $1 each, less than that, right? Comes up about to almost $2. They'll withdraw that in one payment. Now, then you just must return to the payment method section page to verify the withdrawn amounts. So you just go ahead and verify how much they withdrew twice, and then how much they took back once. Okay, and once your account is verified, it's ready for use. Really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.